Hey guys, I don't look super swollen, so I decided I would film this really quickly. Opening this mystery box I got from someone on Poshmark. It was, I think, $10. She sent $8 offer with the 5 whatever shipping. I decided to accept it. She said there would be 8 to 10 items. And so I ended up paying out of pocket about $9 because I had $5 of credit on Poshmark. So we're gonna see, this is what it looks like. It feels very light. It said 5 pounds of inventory, but I don't think it's 5 pounds. So here's what is inside on the top. So we'll see what we got. I'm not sure this is gonna be a good buy. Hey guys, it's Dolla Docta Jennifer. As you can see from our first little clip, we didn't get a good box. I'm not even gonna open it. I actually did my first request of returning an item on Poshmark because it was nothing what the listing said, and I just wasn't gonna spend the money on it. It was supposed to be a 5-pound box. It was supposed, like, the brand she put on the thing was Chico's, which is really what sold it for me. And it was supposed to be mall brands or better, and it wasn't. It was like little boutique-y stuff. It was Shein, it was fast fashion, and none of it was in great condition. And the box is supposed to weigh 5 pounds and only weighed about 2 pounds, 10 ounces or something like that. So I was like, yeah, no. So I ended up not having to return it. I got my money back and she got her money as well. Obviously it wasn't a very high dollar item. So I guess everyone was sort of happy. She, of course, was mad that I had asked for a return. She's like, what do you expect for $8? Well, I expect it to be what it says in your listing, which it wasn't. Anyway, that happened. I did already sell one piece at Buy Sell Trade. It was a new with tags, Wild Fable, like really thin sweater. And then I did sell one piece for $5 on one of my Posh live shows. But the rest of it, I'm pretty much gonna redonate, I think, at this point. I did sell 2. She gave me like 2 kids Mickey Mouse hats, like just like ball caps that weren't that great. It was like, you know, like a Target or Walmart brand Disney. And those did get taken by Kids Buy Sell Trade. So I made a couple bucks. I just want to be done with it. It wasn't good enough to like spend my time on. Since I got that money back, I had the $5 credit again. I did buy another box. This was from this seller. I'll stick her info in here. She has a lot of these boxes. They're only $5 plus shipping, obviously. But she does show like a picture of the stuff. Not like in detail, but you can see kind of what you're gonna get. So I kind of knew already what was in there. I forget what I think it was a 11 piece, and it is by size. So this was a size medium box. I don't know if that was a good idea, but she's got a couple size large right now I looked at, but I don't think I'm gonna get another one at this point. I'm not mad at it. I kind of knew what I was expecting, and it is a lot of like Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, but those do usually tend to do well. And I saw in this box there were a few that were new with tags, so that's why I ended up getting it. So I used my Posh credit, and I think out of pocket I only paid like $9 and something for this box. So not horrible. I'm just gonna get into this because in this first item I'm gonna have to put up the stock photo because it's complicated and I'm not sure how to show it, but it's really cute. It is, and where's the tag? It is Pretty Little Thing, I'm pretty sure. There it is. It's Pretty Little Thing, size 4, not quite a medium, but that's okay. And it did have a little bit of wear somewhere, but this is, you can see from the stock photo, it's a really cute, it's a very tropical dress, and it is a maxi. It's got like these birds on it and the tropical foliage. And it's got a slit as well, a pretty high slit. It's a sexy dress. And I think you can make the slit higher or lower. There's like a cinch here somewhere. Yeah, here. And it's knotted. So that works. I got the knot out. Anyway, I'm just gonna put the stock photo in because this is a Hot Mess Express. But I do like this style and it's really cute. I did see the print on the listing, so I knew there was gonna be something tropically. This next one, I don't think has a size or a tag of any sort. Oh no, I'm just kidding. It's Joe Design Studio Custom Apparel. So I think this is kind of like a handmade thing. I think I'm going to list this. Maybe it's a dress. Oh, it's very sparkly. There is glitter everywhere. It might be like a strapless dress. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do measurements on it. Or it's a skirt. I feel like it's more of a skirt, but I don't know. Let me know what you think, but it's really pretty. It's these teal sequins. It would be like a midi length or like a very tiny dress. Like your booty hanging out.
Booty, booty, rockin' everywhere. Booty, rockin' everywhere.
So I'm not sure about this one, like listing wise. I think I'm just gonna make it a skirt, probably. And see what happens. But it's got a little bit of stretch. It's definitely a smaller size. It's like the sequins are rolled over. So I feel like that would be really uncomfortable. I don't know. We'll see. I saw the sequins on the listing. Then this is one of the things that was new with tags. It is Fashion Nova size medium. It's supposed to be a matching set, but it's called Keeping It Fresh. And it's just a little short sleeve ribbed crop top, gray. Nothing crazy, but it was new with tags. And it's definitely oversized. Definitely oversized medium. I think it's supposed to come with shorts. But the shorts are not in here. This is Forever 21 size medium. And they are just little bike shorts. These I might just take to buy, sell, trade. I don't know if I'll list those or not. This is also new with tags. It wasn't a brand. Oh, this is Pretty Little Thing, size 8. And this is the basic lilac V-neck crop shirt. So it's just a cute little cropped lilac shirt. V-neck lilac shirt. And it is a very deep V-neck. There's more neck than body here. But just another cute little crop top. They're not gonna, like I said, they won't go for a ton, but they should sell pretty well, I think. This summer is coming up. I did get 2 pairs of these. I will probably list them together. They're Athletic Works, size medium. And they're just little like workout shorts. I should see if my trainer wants these actually. And there's a blue one and a green one. The same little athletic shorts. So that'll be like a combined listing if I list those. Then this is a bodysuit and it is new with tags. It is Fashion Nova and it is the Louise V-neck bodysuit in olive, and MSRP was $20. So I'll probably list this for like $18 and take offers. But it's just a V-neck olive green bodysuit. It is long sleeve. It is pretty nice actually. So that's really cute. Definitely something someone would like, I think. And it's a good size. Size medium, right? Yeah. And then a couple more things. This is also new with tags, and it was Fashion Love, size medium, and Sugar Pop is like this tag. So I don't know if it's like a little boutique, but it's just a little V-neck tie-dye shirt. I'm sure this is not going to fetch a huge price. I do not know what these sell for in real life. I haven't looked that up yet. But it's a pretty color. It's like this light teal minty green color. So, soft little shirt. Got another shirt, Avid Love. Have not heard of this either. Size medium. And it's just another purple tie-dye V-neck shirt. I don't think any of these will bring a ton of money, but altogether they will definitely make me my money back. And some I might end up taking to buy, sell, trade. I don't know yet. And then lastly, I'm probably going to tie-dye this. And I've got a ton of stuff to tie-dye right now. And bleach dye, which is crazy. But this is the Nike tee, size medium. And it's just a white tee with Nike in black. So I feel like it's kind of plain. I don't know, maybe I'll list it as is because it looks like it's in good condition. Maybe I'll list it as is, and if it doesn't sell, then I'll tie-dye it. But that is the box. So this was like more of a 5-pound box. This was a full, large box of stuff. And obviously there were quite a few new with tags items, which is one of the reasons I got it. So we'll see how it does. Maybe I'll do a video in the future, and eventually I'll have to figure out what this is. Besides very glittery. Let me know again in the chat what you think. I think this is probably gonna sell for the highest amount, the dress. So that's our mystery box from Poshmark. And I'm not mad at this box. Like I knew what I was getting, and I know I'll make the $10 back. No issue with that. But the other box that I ended up asking to return, that was not good. Like, her listing was definitely misleading. So just be careful when you're buying mystery boxes anywhere. I usually don't buy mystery boxes, but I did have credits, and I just kind of wanted to do something fun, give you guys a fun little mystery box video because I'm not going to be buying on thredUP anymore. So this is what you're going to get sometimes. I might do another blue box at some point, but I don't really need the inventory. I actually went thrifting again today, so I've got like 4 videos I think to film tonight. Probably won't. This is our first one, so we'll see how it goes. But thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed that. If there's anything you're interested in, definitely let me know. You can hit me on Instagram or email me, which is down below. And we'll see you next time. As always, remember to help control the pet population and have your pets spayed or neutered. Bye, guys.